Synthesys complete tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video we'll take a look at this platform which provides us the opportunity to create professional AI content. So what products do they offer? They offer AI voices, AI humans. We can also create AI images, custom avatar, voice cloning, and basically we can easily try to use this platform completely without paying. So we can try to click on try for free, but also we'll discover the paid plans a little bit later. So basically what can we do? We can create videos, images, voiceovers, and everything else you may need in a single intuitive platform. So it's pretty cool. You can choose between 400 plus ultra realistic human sounding voices in more than 40 languages, which is pretty cool. Any user, no matter how technical, can use Synthesys AI Studio to its fullest extent thanks to our ultra intuitive user interface. So let's take a look. If you click on try for free, you'll come to this page where we'll start from our dashboard. To assess all functionalities we can sign up, but basically it's enough to find all the things here, and all you need to know is that we have like feature tools, AI voices, AI humans, and AI images plus videos, and Synthesys video translate, so translate an existing videos into 29 different languages. So let's say that we want to use the AI voice here. So firstly, on the project area, we have the option to manage all the products here, to manage all the projects we have. On the history, we'll find all the files in the necessary order. On the account, we'll be able to manage our information here. So let's try to create the AI voiceover. And what can we do here? Basically, firstly, we need to interact with text. So let's paste our text right up here. And what can we see? Firstly, we can manage the number of pauses inside between different sentences. So we can manage and we can change it right up here. Also, we can change the speed between these things here. And it's really interesting because we can select it, make it faster, make it slower, and every single sentence here could be changed according to its speed. So let's say that I want to increase the pause number. As you can see, I can like select it and then just change the pause duration. Also, we can change the pitch like this, and so on. And the next thing we can do is that we can then select the necessary voice, Norman, for example. So we can listen to him and then just simply manage all the things. So we can hear more actors. If we'll click on this button here, we'll be able to find all the actors we have with different accents in different languages. So it could be really helpful as for you to find the most suitable one. Let's click on test.
This is a demo of the voice you have selected.
Yeah, as you can see, it sounds like this.
This is a demo.
The next one like this. So in the left side, we have this option. They're available like with premium only, ultra like, custom, and so on. The same thing, we can manage our language. There are a lot of languages provided by Synthesys. We can manage gender, of course, voice age, like youth, middle-aged, and elder, and mood. So here we can like interact with our emotions. We can edit the playful, warm, mature, powerful, expressive, soft, gentle, confident, classy, trustful, emotional, and calm. So depending on the your text, on your like what emotions you want to show, you can change it right up here. And on the content, let's click on content. We have like educational tutorials, narration, commercials, sports or e-games, audiobooks, news, marketing, reviews, radio or podcast. So let's say if we want to create the educational tutorials, mood, let it be like trustful. Voice age should be middle-aged. And as you can see now, I don't have anyone here. Let's delete it for trustful. And let's try to listen how will it look like in the necessary language. So I want English, for example, and let's try to use this one here.
This is a demo of the voice you have.
Let's click on add now, and in a few seconds it will be automatically added. So let's try to change it for Vanessa, for example. Here I'd like to manage pauses. Let it be like 1.1 second. Let's increase the speed. For the wall text, let's try to select it, increase the speed. And now let's click on generate. It may take a little time until everything will be generated depending on their server's capacity and so on. So basically, that's all for the features and the interface. So now you are ready to try to use it by yourself. If you want to basically download the project, you can click on this icon in the right bottom right up here, but let's wait until it will be generated as for us. It may take a little time, as I already said. So before it will be generated, let's try to see their pricing plans. So on Synthesys, we have these prices here, 4 different plans: free, personal, creator unlimited, and business unlimited. So basically, the main difference is in number of generations. So for example, we can create an unlimited video and audio generations for $41 per month. This is like monthly prices, $29, $59, $99, but early it's like $20, $41, and $69 per month. You can see the differences between like audio video generations, image generations, slides in each video, relax mode, voice cloning, and so on. So the prices are not the high. So if you want to use it for a long time, I definitely recommend you to use the early subscription. So let's try to see, was it generated?
Nature is an important and integral part of mankind.
And as you can see, it sounds really good right now. So let's click on download. So we need to save project. Let's click on save. And now in a few seconds, we can now click on download. So what can we see? We need to sign up. So basically I will not sign up right up now, but in this case, you'll be able to create the voiceover like this. So as you can see, nothing hard to start with Synthesys AI. And I hope, guys, that this video helped you a lot. If you have any questions, you can write them in the comments below. I hope, guys, that this video was helpful for you. I wish you a very good day, and goodbye, guys.